Welcome to CloudOps Lab. If you want to learn Agentic AI, follow this roadmap instead of jumping between random tools. In this lesson, we will keep it practical and beginner-friendly. Foundation. Start with prompts, model behavior, context windows, and structured outputs. These basics make every agent easier to understand. Tools and APIs. Learn how tools work. Understand APIs, JSON inputs, permissions, and tool outputs. Tool use is the bridge between AI and action. Workflows and memory. Learn how agents plan, use memory, and move through multi-step tasks. Practice with small workflows before complex systems. Safety and production. Finally, learn guardrails, evaluation, logging, monitoring, and human approval. Production agents need reliability, not just impressive demos. Subscribe to CloudOps Lab for beginner-friendly AI, DevOps, and automation lessons. Let us make this more concrete. A beginner roadmap might start with prompt basics, then structured outputs, then tool calling, then workflow design, then evaluation, and finally, production safety. Here is the key beginner mistake to avoid. The mistake is jumping straight into frameworks without understanding the concepts. Frameworks change, but goals, tools, memory, planning, and guardrails remain important. A practical way to learn this is to turn the concept into a small exercise. Build 3 small projects: a research helper, a file summarizer, and a safe tool-using assistant. Keep them simple and review each step. Quick recap. Agentic AI is powerful when the goal is clear, the tools are limited, the context is useful, and the guardrails are defined. If this lesson helped, continue the Agentic AI for Beginners playlist. The next episode builds on this topic and keeps the roadmap practical.